Hi, it's Christy in the Rada Cutlery kitchen, and today I'm making a recipe out of our Party Snacks to Share recipe book. This is full of sweet and sassy recipes, cool and classic, some slow cooker ones. It's great for any kind of party or gathering. And today I'm going to make lemon whoopies. Just saying the name is fun, and they're fun to eat. So let's get started. So what you'll need is a package of lemon cake mix. This is the 18-ounce size. And you'll want to be preheating your oven to 400 degrees. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to add the cake mix, 3 eggs, a half cup of vegetable oil, and then a half cup of water. We're just going to mix this at medium speed until it's well combined. So now you'll need a baking sheet. I'm going to use this Rada Cutlery stoneware cookie sheet, and you want to put some parchment paper on there. So now what we're going to do is take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture. We're just going to drop that on the parchment paper. You want them about 2 inches apart because when they bake they are going to spread out. I'm trying to get them more round, not so oblong shaped. Alright, we're going to put this in the 400 degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. So one batch of my whoopie pies are done. I'm going to let them cool completely. So meanwhile, we can mix up that yummy fluffy filling. So what we're going to do is beat 3/4 cup of butter, a cup and a half of marshmallow cream. And then we're going to add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 ounces of cream cheese, and a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. A dash of salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now we're just going to mix this on medium speed until it's smooth. So now that our cakes have cooled, getting ready to make them into the pies. So what I'm going to do is take some of that, and you're going to get about 16 whoopie pies out of this, so you want to make sure you have enough filling for them all. So you just put that and then you just take the top, and there's your quick lemon whoopies. That's one of the recipes in our Party Snacks to Share recipe book. Thanks for watching.